let's learn how to turn off sound effects on X or Twitter. If you find those sound effects annoying, then watch this video until the end to learn how to turn them off. First, let's open Twitter app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, click on your profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now you have come to Profile menu. When you do that, click on the Settings and Privacy option so that Twitter offers us more options. Then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages option. Then go to the Display to access settings for media, display, and what we need, sound. Finally, in the Sound section, turn off the sound effects option. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.